YouTube? Listen, family, class is in session today. First the lesson, then the message, guys. I'm going to show you a play, give you a play, and I want you to go out and execute tomorrow, okay? Coach got to give you guys some money-making plays to kick off the month of February, okay? So today, I got one of those ones. For those of you guys that's not part of the money team, you won't see these kind of plays, and so I want to make sure you get in on some of the action, okay? But with that being said, if you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. All right. Also, guys, check this out. We had earnings today, and I'm going to slowly start giving you some hedges so that you can make sure you're making money in both directions. All right. Without further ado, we got a jam-packed video, so let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm kicking it off, loving on the family. You guys already know. This one is from Reggie. Reggie, if you see this, coach want to say major salute. 233% return on Palantir. That was the title. He said, thanks, coach. I just want to start off by giving you the utmost gratitude to you and your platform. You have been a blessing to many. I joined the Discord towards the end of 2022. So Reggie been with me for a minute, man. I salute any of you guys that's been around since 2020, 2022. You guys, if nothing else, have seen the consistency, have seen me talk about these same type of plays for a long time, okay? When you find a winner, you have to put the time in to make sure it manifests. He said, things started off very slow for me and faced many losses. I maintained my persistence and consistency into watching your videos day in and day out. Once I fully grasped supply and demand zones, that is key, break and retest, that's what I'm going to teach you guys today, I was finally able to turn losses into gains. Listen to this real quick. Don't ever get down about your losses. When you put in the time, I can guarantee you make all of them back when you learn what I'm going to teach you today, okay? Reggie is a testament to that. He said, I started off the 100K challenge this year at 25K on my Robinhood account and have finally reached the 50K. Let's go. I love to hear. Reggie, if you see this, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Y'all getting y'all Roth IRA set up. You guys are getting your high yield savings accounts, your money market accounts, your emergency fund. You're hitting certain milestones on the 100K challenge. I couldn't be more proud of this. He said, I vividly remember you saying you don't prefer to trade earnings, and neither do I, due to past experiences. However, I did do my DD on Palantir's company fundamentals and dissected the balance sheets. I followed this company deeply and bought calls around the support level. The market spoke for itself. I cannot thank you enough. He was absolutely surgical. Guys, I'm just proud of Reggie. I am proud of Reggie. If you guys catch Reggie, go love on him. Find him in the Discord. Find him in the comments, okay? Make sure you guys shower him with some love. 50K, that is a huge milestone. Next level for Reggie is 75K. So hopefully we hear and get an update when he hits that target, okay? So listen, guys, today our play is going to be Crowdstrike, okay? And so I want you all to do this play, but I want to teach you what coach is seeing, all right? And so I need to show you how we make all of this money, what plays we do, okay? Crowdstrike, guys, the ticker symbol is CRWD, is sitting at 407.52. Look at this. Everybody take your eyes to this power bar, this boom boom candle. Let me know if you guys see that right there. Boom. Okay, do everybody see that? That means we are preparing for takeoff. Let me move that. When you get a candle this size, you are going to get a move this same exact size. But remember, I taught you guys about the 50% mark. Okay, when you have 50%, did you see how this could not go lower than that? So that is telling me that this play is going higher. That's a clue. Okay, that's one clue. But another thing I want you guys to see is this right here. Okay, check this out. Tell me, do you guys see this? Do you guys see that? That is called a bull flag, and this means takeoff. Okay, that is positive. That is positive. And so I want you to know, when you break, you come back down and retest. Okay, then we hit and broke through resistance a tad bit. Continue, we should either do this, but regardless of what we do, the next move is going to be here, and it's going to be the same size move as this boom boom candle there. Okay, so our target is going to be 415. I want you guys to look for that for me, okay? That is what I want you to look for. We got a bull flag setting up so nice and so beautiful on Crowdstrike that I want you guys to take advantage of it for me, okay? Listen, all right, we about to dive into what strike price you choose and all that good stuff, okay? But again, we don't guess, we don't gamble, we are surgical, okay? So again, one last thing, get this play around 405. Let me just write this down. 405 if you can. 407 is fine. 405 to 407 or 398 to 400, okay? Anywhere in that range is good because that keeps us in that 50% mark, okay? Remember I taught you guys, if a play does not come back below 50%, it's going to continue in that direction. In this case, the stock is going higher, okay? Let me know if that's understood. Let me know, do you guys got that down pat, okay? That is Crowdstrike, all right? So a couple things. Let's go ahead and look at that really quickly, okay? We're going to pull up Crowdstrike so we can kind of see what that would look like. Let's see if we can find CRWD. Okay. So Crowdstrike, all right, it's sitting at 406. So you go to trade options. I want you to give yourself at least to next week, Friday, okay? You're going to hit buy, call, okay? Now, this play should go to around 415, okay? So look at that 415 strike price. It's 970, okay? The delta is 42, all right? Coach likes to do in the money plays, but for this, you don't have to do that. I mean, I like to do deep in the money plays, but for this, you don't have to do that. If you can get in around 405, okay? If you can get in around 405, that is good enough, okay? If you this go lower, this play will be cheaper. So consider that for me, knowing we're trying to get to 415. Guys, don't worry about the break even. Do not get caught up in those are formalities for Wall Street, not for you, okay? The break even only matters on your day of expiration. This play needs to be at 419 if you are down. That's the price it needs to get back to in order for you to get your money. Do not get caught up in that, okay? The main delta coach would have picked for this is around here, guys, 390, if you wanted to know like how I would really play this. But you don't need to spend that much money. This play has already made its move. Coach is supposed to get his move to you when it was at 360. So I'm late. So you're catching the middle and the end of the move, okay? So you don't need to come to 390. This is where we would have really bought it at if this tariff stuff and all this Trump stuff wasn't happening, okay? But since that, you can come up here to 405 and you'll be fine, okay? And so again, guys, look for that for me. And here's another play for you, okay? All right, I told you guys I want you to, here's one more, AMD, all right? This play crashed on earnings. I need you guys to do me a favor, okay? Push this out to February 21st, hit buy put, okay? Everybody do me a favor. If you don't see buyer step in or if you have this play already, you have to make your money back to the downside. You don't just sit in a play. You use your stop loss. Number one, your stop loss should always protect you and protect your capital. In the event you're in a play that you have out a year or 6 months or however long you might have a call in this, guys, it's okay to make money if it's in a downtrend. This did not do good on earnings. So therefore, look at this for me. Look at the 110 put, okay, for February 21st, okay. All right, this delta is going to be better than this in the morning, so don't get caught up in that for me, okay. But look at the 110 puts out a month, okay, just in case you can make some money back. And you got to keep rinsing and repeating this to the downside, because you don't want to get caught when the buyer step in like, oh, we finally got this down under 114, and then they all rush back in, then push up AMD, and then you just not buying the put. So if you get in, make sure it's temporary. You just keep doing this a month out, okay, or the third Friday of each month while it's in a downtrend. Don't overstay your welcome. Get in and get out, meaning see profit, take profit, okay. Throw a hedge on, and then Nvidia will be the next one we do like this. But check this out, I don't want to get in front of it just in case their earnings is like Palantir earnings. So if they miss for whatever reason and do this same thing, you guys are going to get puts to make some money with Nvidia while your long January 2026 calls just continue to do their thing, okay. So again, guys, do not ever, you have to have a game plan. Don't ever get too doom and gloom about anything that happened in the market. You're going to see fluke stuff happen, freak stuff happen, all intended to get you off your square, okay. And 3 plays I want on your radar, guys, for today, okay, moving forward. All right, Netflix is more than 3. I need you to have Netflix. I gave you Crowdstrike, but that wasn't even 1. That's just because we need to make some money to start this month, okay. Crowdstrike, Netflix, AVGO. I need you to have Meta and Palantir, okay. That's 5. All right, this video was supposed to be for 3. Add those, guys, for me, and make sure you crush those. Those are going to be some plays that are going to do good for the month of February. I'm going to make a dedicated video for that in a couple days, so be looking for that. I'll have them highlighted and ready to go, okay. But listen, man, let's make some money tomorrow. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning, okay, guys. We're playing Crowdstrike, all right. So a pullback will be nice. If we can see 405 or 400, I don't want you to think, oh, the play is down. Don't worry about that. It's going higher. It's going to 407, 410, all right? But a pullback will be ideal. You don't ever want to get in high. You want to let it come down, all right? And so keep that nugget in mind. Watch this video 2 times for the lesson on the bull flag, on the power bar, the 50% move of the bar, and all those little nuances that make sure your play goes to perfection, okay. With that being said, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks. Use my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.